Hey, she climbed to the top of the pinnacle.
Hey, you want to go upstairs? What? You want to go upstairs?
So you want down to see me?
Yeah, sure.
Can't even hit it with that. Look at this. You're a terrorist.
Nikki, this is what my mapper dragged Mom!
Let's go on the porch. Okay, again, I'm going to take several different shots, and I'm going to count to 3. 2. Oh, no. I couldn't believe it. I went up to the sponge, bring it off. Where's the apple dog? Or yours.
Yeah.
Get open the door and say,
It was already fall in. Yeah, it looked fine.
You want to go to Motor School. And what do they call it? You gotta do it. But it's funny, you know, for the graphics, I don't see why, you know, what difference does it make? And if that's what they want to do when they get out of high school, it's important to go on to something, but it's not college. That's all it is, you know, especially
Brian, get one taken of your family.
I was playing study for school. Really enjoying it. For the most Is this your final? That's right. How many years have you played on the team? What do you mean? In terms of your, how many years have you been on the team? 4 years. Sixth grade. Played actually 7th grade.
Inside his eyes fall or something?
She had fresh flowers on top.
He didn't even want to come today. Jill made the mistake of saying that. Why do I have to wear this? Come on. Oh, no, he wasn't that.
No.
I don't think so.
Jill has a Tylenol, Becca. Would you take one? Would you take one?
Why don't you feel good?
Yeah, aim it right down on Eric. If you look at his legs, aim that on his legs with that split in the middle. You can see it pretty good how it works. The distance like that. Put that, his legs right in the middle. You see the split?
Today's belly might be.
You turn that, see how it moves?
Well,
Then when it comes back together, you see.
Yeah, that's okay. It's easy to see it outside though.
Yeah, when it's at a distance, it's easier.
Hard to do it.
Yeah, any vertical line like that, it'll line up on it.
Oh, that's wild.
Wild. And that's when it's in focus. So.
Tyra, here's getting a little
Self-conscious.
Oh, yo!
Focusing in
I
on his
didn't like
knees.
that
He's like,
haircut
okay.
well. You know it? How do you feel today?
You feel fine, don't you? You feel good. Can you go down there and stand with all your other cousins?
Because my grandma's got to get inside. I have to get. Gee, if I'd known it was going to be as nice as this, I'd find something outdoors. Yeah. But this thing, I'm sure I had no idea to do this.
Matthew!
Then they would run down there with net, and I'll wait right here. I'm not a cousin. I'm not a grandchild. Hi, kids. See, I'll stay right here. Run down.
Oh, you can stand with the surface standing to that.
Back to the side, she's going to be in it.
Alex, back here.
Ow!
I guess they're not going to be in it.
Hey, Matthew. Hey, are you okay, Matthew?
Say pepperoni pizza, Alex.
You're fired. You're not.
Hey, Alex. Hey, Alex. Alex.
You don't want a picture?
We went to Lakewood, Nancy, and then we went to a stinky hotel afterwards where Kyle and Matthew drank. Why we never get picked up for all I don't understand.
I'd like to propose a toast to Mom and Dad for many more years of happiness. You've done a great job, all the friends and family here. I know would like to wish you many more years of happiness and nice marriage.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Any comments?
Put up with that great big man.
Carl, aren't you going to say something?
Did I say anything?
Yes, sir.
I haven't been able to for 50 years.
You and Arthur always says he has to interrupt to get it.
Well, we certainly appreciate all the spirits here today, and all you good friends coming in celebration of our 50 years. And we certainly have enjoyed them, and hopefully can enjoy a few more at least. Thanks again.
He'll be here on your 60th.
Well, we hope so. I'll be over and see it tomorrow.
Come on, Arthur, make a speech. Arthur, say something.
Well, certainly a privilege to be here with the head Republican honcho in the state of Maine. Arthur's been trying to work that one for a long time, but he hasn't succeeded yet. I've seen him weaken a few times. He almost had me sign up as a Democrat one time, and I looked at the platform, and he's running on the Republican platform, and the Democrats think that he's number one. I think he could have been governor on either one of the platforms.
Hey, Norris, why don't you tell us a favorite story of Carl and Maureen?
I don't know any favorite stories.
Well, how about a story then? How many wedding anniversaries have you celebrated with them?
Well, if you notice the pictures going out the back door, the one on the left is in Montreal on the 15th anniversary of that pair. And the one on the right is taken on a little house we had on School Street. That's the 25th anniversary. This is the 50th, so that's 3 of them. I'll be the next one, 75.
You missed one. You were at the 40th, too.
That's back when I used to drink it, I didn't remember.
Neil, why don't you tell us about what you remember about that long-lived thing here?
What I remember about it?
Yeah.
I can remember having to get the leaves for the wedding hour there. And I can remember it was a dry wedding. I don't know how the chief gets ever put up with that.
Well, I'll bet Mother's got some words to say. Mother. Hey, Ma. Why don't you stand up and tell us what you think about that 50 years? How it all began or something.
Well, it began 50 years ago.
Well, was it 51?
Last month, in August, we celebrated the 70th birthday. So I don't know if he's going to live as long as I do or not.
Do you remember any stories about Carl and Maureen you'd like to tell tonight?
Oh, I'm going to do all my marriage and all, so
No, we don't buy that.
Don't buy that.
That sounds like a feeble excuse.
I just hope it lasts.
I can tell you a little story of maybe 52 years ago, 51 years ago. Carl used to have a little Model A Ford, and he turned the headlight switch one way, the little red light came up on one side and the green light on the other. And I drove over with that little Ford one night and drove it in Maureen Davis's yard and snapped those little red and green lights on, and she came bouncing out and gave me the biggest kiss she ever saw before she realized it wasn't Carl. I've always loved her ever since.
Ethel, you got any stories you remember?
Well,
Hey, Olmsted, how about a fishing story? You ever gone fishing with Carl? You got a story you want to tell in front of mixed groups like this?
I'll go hunting.
Went hunting when we went.
Did you?
We was gone 5 days, and 11 days later, nobody knew where we were.
White clams there that you run out of food, you had to eat those white clams.
That and fruit cocktail, and don't red lemon.
Is there more about that you'd like to tell us?
Well, you haven't got time.
Lawrence, you've been friends of his for 100,000 years.
Yeah, but I don't want to relate any stories.
You've been a pretty good guy, though.
Yes, sir.
Is that a good neighbor?
Yeah, he pounded the sand pretty hard.
They ever get to pull your weeds, have you?
Well, not lately. Once upon a time. Once upon a time.
Ernie, you've known that couple for quite a while. You got anything you'd like to say about them?
Well, I know they have a lot of kids.
Contributed heavily to his retirement.
Well, honey, you ever make any money on him? And with his
Never. No, every time I deliver the babies to bunnies here, I get another load of gravel from my can. Carl got mad one day and he said, look, that's our business and you can't do that for nothing to him. Everybody decided to have to pay him.
There you go. Still owe you.
He has.
Well, you know, it's not a bad debt, you know, it just hasn't been collected yet. Ronnie, you've been fishing with him a lot.
We've been fishing a lot. And the last time we went fishing, we decided that we'd leave Maureen and Jill behind the next time. So